Hello, my name is Lilian. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my get to know me tag. So I put up a poll on my Insta stories a few days ago telling you guys to ask me any question that you want to know about me or my hair, and I got some interesting questions. So in this video, I'm going to be responding to the questions you guys asked. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. Let me show you guys my hair. So I'm wearing like a low bun kind of style. I did not make it like the back. I just braided all the hair into one big braid and then I tucked it in. So that's what we have going on. Yeah, so now over to why we are here. I wrote down the questions that I'm going to be answering on my notepad, so in case you see me looking down, that's what I'm checking. So the first question is, how old are you? Well, I'm 26 years old. I just clocked 26 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. So yeah, I know you might be thinking like, you do not look 26. I actually get that a lot. Like when people that know me online, even like offline, when people meet me for the first time, they do not know or they perceive me to be younger than how I actually am. And so I get that a lot. I get that all the time. I guess it's because I don't know, you guys don't see my full body like online, just my head, like my face. So I don't know why people think I'm younger by just looking at my face, but I like to think that most people that I meet like face to face think that I'm younger because like I have a smallish stature. I'm kind of petite. I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall, so it's not like I'm very, very short, but I don't know, I just look smallish. So that's why most people think I'm younger than my age. And looking younger than your age is all cute and all fun when black don't crack and all those, you look younger and people like, it's all cute and all fun until when you're trying to do something, like when you're being serious and you're doing something serious and then people shut you up because they think you're younger. I like that I look younger than my age, but it's also can be challenging sometimes, like when I'm trying to be serious and stuff like that. So the next question, are you married and do you have kids? Well, no, I'm not married and I do not have children. Yeah. Then the next question, when are you getting married? I think I know the person who asked this question and she was just trying to be naughty, but anyway, I'm just going to answer. I don't know when I'm getting married because I feel like at this point in my life I'm at like the deciding phase. I'm trying to figure out so many things and I do not think I'm emotionally mature enough for marriage. So for now, like marriage is not like my top priority right now. Then next question, are you in school? No, I'm not in school. I actually graduated from the university in 2015. That 4 years ago. So I'm not a fresh graduate or an undergraduate. Like I graduated a long time ago. I have a bachelor's degree in geology. I studied geology in school. So yeah, I'm done with school. Do I intend to get a master's degree? Well, that's something that I'll probably do like in the nearest future, but it's not like right now. It's not like my top priority, like right now, now. So but it's something I'll probably do in the future. What will I be getting a master's degree in? I do not know for sure yet, but I know it's something that I'm going to do in the future. I'm going to get a master's degree in something. I don't know if it's going to be geology or it's going to be something outside geology, but I know I'm going to get a master's degree in the nearest future. Then next question, where do you live? I live in Nigeria. I live in Lagos, Nigeria. So many people always want to know where I live. I live in Nigeria, in Lagos. I'm not going to tell you where exactly I live because yeah, there are so many cycles on the internet. So yeah, I'm not going to share that information. But I live in Lagos. Nigeria. Then the next question, am I an only child? No, I'm not an only child. I actually come from a big family. We are 4 children. I'm the 3rd child, so no, I'm not. I'm not an only child. Next question, what camera do you use to film? I get surprised. I get this question a lot actually, and I get surprised when people ask this question because I feel like my videos are not like top notch, you know, that kind of quality of my videos are not really like top notch. So I don't know why people are interested in knowing what camera I use. But well, I use my phone. I use my phone to film. I use my phone to do basically everything I do, like as regards to content creation, like on the internet, on YouTube, on Instagram. I film on my phone, I edit on my phone, I post on my phone, you know. So I basically do everything on my phone. My Android, it's an Android phone. So it's not like an iPhone or anything, in case you're wondering. Then the next question. Do I do other things apart from YouTube? Yes and no. Like outside of YouTube, I have an Instagram page. Some of you might already know, but for those of you who don't know, if you do not follow me on Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. A lot is happening on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @Lilian_Okibe. So follow me on Instagram. So yeah, I have an Instagram page where I also share things about hair. I also have a blog, but I'm not really, yeah, I have a blog. And I used to talk about this a lot, like when I first started my YouTube channel. I used to promote my blog a lot. So in case you're interested in checking out my blog is also about hair. So I have a blog. I'm going to leave the link in the description box in case you want to see it. I actually started out with the blog, so I think my blog is older than my YouTube channel. Well, I'm not sure. I think I opened both of them at around the same time. So yeah, I have a blog. Offline, I write. I'm a fantastic writer. Like I write. I feel like I'm better at writing than talking and like being on screen, being in your face. I'm better doing like behind the scenes work and stuff like that. So I write. I'm a fantastic writer. Right now I'm actually working on a book. It's like a novel kind of. So I'm working on that. So that's what the project I'm currently working on offline. So yeah, I'm a writer, and I'm also a content creator on the web. So the next question, where do I see myself in 5 years? Well, this question is a bit tricky. Like I said earlier, like at this point in my life, I'm like at the deciding phase. So it's not like I have like, maybe I'm working in like a company, for example, and I already like have a permanent job at a company, and I already have like goals. Okay, in 5 years I should be at so and so position and stuff like that. Like that's not it for me right now. Now I'm like trying to figure out what I want to do with my life. If you put it that way, like that's long story short, like that's to crown everything off, like summarize everything off, that's what is going on right now in me. So I do not know what exactly I'm going to be doing full time in 5 years time, but I know it's going to be something I love, something I enjoy doing, something I feel fulfilled doing, and I'll be making money doing it. So in 5 years time I should be making sense, a lot more sense than I'm making right now. Then in next question, what are my short-term goals? Well, for now my short-term goal, like the shortest of the shortest right now, is to grow my YouTube channel. Like I started my YouTube channel and my old Instagram account at around the same time, but I feel like my YouTube channel has suffered because like I did not put in as much effort into my YouTube as I did on my old Instagram account, the one I deleted that I told you guys about. So So now I just want to like put some energy into my YouTube and just like grow it, like just grow it to like a reasonable point. So that's my short-term goal. So the next question, my religion. I'm a Christian. I believe in God. I believe in Jesus. I believe in having a personal relationship with God. Next question, am I a feminist? Well, no, I will not call myself a feminist because even though there are so many ideologies about feminism, I don't know if that's the right thing to say, but even though there are so many things that feminists believe in that I also believe in, there are still some of their doctrines that I do not go with like my own way of thinking, and so I don't like to box myself into just one category. Like if I call myself a feminist, then people just assume that everything that feminists say or do is something I accept, but that's not the case. So I don't like to box myself into like any box. So I'm me. I have my own way of thinking. There are some things that I agree with that feminists also agree with, but I will not call myself a feminist. No, I will not call myself a feminist. Next question, how long have I been natural? I've been natural for 4 years. I actually big chopped, like I shaved like all my hair, not like shaved, like I cut my hair. So I had like about less than an inch of hair when I cut my hair. So like I big chopped. So I did that in June 2015. I don't know the exact date because it was not planned. It's just something I just woke up and I just decided to do. So it's not like something I marked in my calendar, like, or that kind of thing. So that's why I don't have a particular date, but I know it was sometime around June 2015. So yeah, I've been natural for 4 years now. So with that, I have answered all the questions you guys asked on my Insta story. If you have any other question that I did not address in this video, please leave them down in the comment section below. Depending on how many they are, I might make another video answering those questions. I'll just respond right away, like reply under your question in the comments. So with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos. I know what's again.
On the beat.